10 minutes at least. But all you have to do, press this button, and then if you tilt it, it'll move. Pretty simple. If you press the other button and lift up, it'll make the thing go up. You go down, it'll go down. If you go sideways, rotate, rotate. Okay. So now you're basically ready to fly. All you have to do, remember, press the button and tilt. Pretty simple. So that once you're at a nice hovering angle, I'm going to go up a little, sorry. Trying to hold the camera. So once you're about 10 feet high, there's a special trick that you're going to have to turn on in settings. But if you double tap the screen, it makes it do a flip. It's a pretty nice trick. The one thing I really like about this is it's not too hard to use. Most helicopters, you have to manually land it with your remote. Where this, it's different. Right where the takeoff button was, there's a landing button. You press it, it autopilot lands.